1956 Bentley S1 left-hand drive. Price: $22,750. Location: Florida, USA. The 1956 Bentley S1 left-hand drive you are looking at today is more than just a classic car. It is a rolling piece of automotive history. Finished in an elegant two-tone combination of shell grey and Tudor grey, this luxury sedan represents an era when craftsmanship, prestige, and sophistication were the ultimate measures of success. Even after 7 decades, this Bentley still commands attention with its timeless design and unmistakable presence. The front of the car immediately captures the eye with its massive chrome radiator grille and the legendary flying B-hood ornament standing proudly above it. The chrome bumpers, Lucas fog lamps, white wall tires, and classic Bentley hubcaps complete a look that defined luxury motoring during the 1950s. Every inch of this automobile reflects the dedication and artistry that Bentley engineers and craftsmen poured into their creations. The heart of this remarkable machine is its smooth straight-six engine equipped with twin SU carburetors. Paired with an automatic transmission featuring column-mounted controls, the Bentley was engineered to deliver effortless driving comfort. During its prime, this was the type of vehicle chosen by business leaders, celebrities, and aristocrats who demanded both performance and refinement. The driving experience remains surprisingly elegant even by modern standards. The interior tells an equally impressive story. Opening the door reveals a beautifully preserved cabin finished in sand beige upholstery and accented with rich wood trim throughout. The craftsmanship is immediately noticeable, from the dashboard to the carefully crafted wood panels. Features such as air conditioning, Smiths, and Lucas gauges, and a vintage Motorola radio remind us that luxury was already well understood by Bentley engineers long before modern technology entered the scene. The rear seating area offers one of the most distinctive features of the Bentley S1: folding picnic tables. These elegant accessories transformed long journeys into comfortable experiences, allowing passengers to enjoy refreshments, read documents, or simply appreciate the ride. Combined with generous legroom and premium materials, the rear compartment feels more like a private lounge than a traditional automobile. The exterior beauty is matched by practical details. In the trunk, the vehicle still retains its full-size spare tire and jack, valuable additions for collectors who appreciate originality. Finding classic cars with these original accessories intact has become increasingly difficult, making this Bentley even more desirable to enthusiasts searching for authenticity. The opportunity to acquire a classic Bentley with left-hand drive configuration is becoming increasingly rare.